Everyone, Dustin Merritt Ford just got a fresh trade-in 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD, leather, all the options. We're going to show you around it. Nice color, great with the hood scoop in that. TRD, Toyota people know better than me. It's a little more loaded up. So you got a little bit different suspension, all that kind of stuff. 76,000 kilometers on it. Tri-fold hard top on it. This truck's really, really clean. Box doesn't look like it's really been used. In excellent condition. One of those ones you got to see. You can kind of look around. I think the guy's looking for the scratches. We always show you the good stuff. There are scratches on used vehicles, and this is the only one I found on this one. So you know, but the rest, great shape, great condition. We'll go inside. We'll show you all the great features Toyota has to offer. So interior, like brand new for 2019. You can tell the seats are in excellent condition, both sides. Got your shifter here. It's got heated seats. It has a couple extra options. The guy that did it, he put in a transmission cooler that turns on with the fog lights because he was towing a little bit. So when it's parked, you can just hit that on and cool the transmission off. He really took care of this truck, and it was kind of his baby. So sunroof as well. But yeah, awesome condition for a 2019. Really impressed with this Toyota for sure. We'll check out the back seat, show you a few things there. And so in the back seat, nice rubber floor mats. The seat back here honestly doesn't look like it's been used. Oh, I gotta jump up and hold. Oh, they're actually pretty comfy seats. They're like soft. Nice. So Toyota has comfy back seats, just in case you're wondering. Yeah, that's all there is. So if you want to schedule a test drive on this beautiful Toyota 2019 TRD, give us a call, give us a text, 306-453-4444, or just call Joel.
Tacoma!